A clean workbench. Oh dear, that's the sign of a sick mind, isn't it? Have to get some work done, make a mess again. Ha! Terrible. Well, this is a little project that I've set myself. Well, the start of a little project that I've set myself anyway. The fore cabin of the old trawler had this roof light on it, and I haven't got a use for a roof light for a fishing boat anymore, but what I have got is a use for is a cold frame. So the project is to carefully take this apart, clean it all down, reseal it and make a mahogany cold frame with wired glass, all beautifully varnished, ready for growing seeds in next year. Now you might wonder why on earth I'm that bothered about saving this roof light. Well, when it all went badly wrong on me, this is the bit of the ship that took the torpedo. I might explain that later. I was standing next to this when it was hit by the bowsprit, which was fired back towards me and this roof light like it was a torpedo. 18-foot length of timber, and it just came back, made me jump.